when will this job hunting ever end? It baffles me how someone would read a 4 years course and still spend the same 4 years searching for a job. This is crazy, and I'm tired of doing this. I think it's better I forget this job hunting and focus on something else.
It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. Look, Dan, that's for you for trying to be smart. Next time you try this nonsense again, I sent my boys to collect money from you, and you sent Fetty to mess around with them. What sort of nonsense is that?
Bros, I am so sorry. I beg, I'm sorry. Just give me time to raise this money for you, please.
I'm tired of listening to this your rubbish.
Bros, please, see. Let's just handle things as men. Please, I will provide your money for you. Give me time.
Every time, that has been your usual line. When are you giving me my money?
Bros, just give me time. I will raise it for you. I promise. I might even borrow self.
I've locked this door and I'm locking it forever. You won't enter this house, I swear.
Just give me time. Okay. I'll borrow from my girlfriend and give you. Please, I'll give it to you today. Today, please. Just give me time, please.
So you know what to do before. Guys. Don't worry. Let's give him 30 minutes. If after 30 minutes you don't get that money, I swear you won't enter this house again.
Thank you, boss. I will give it to you, please. Okay, can I go?
Please get my money.
Okay. I don't know.
You don't know me again.
I said, what do you want? You asked me if I don't know you.
No, it's me, Nathaniel. This is boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Come on, which time? What's I supposed to do? Why they laugh?
You say she's your boyfriend. How come she be your boyfriend? How come she not tell you say she can travel to America?
America. Come on, listen, this is a joke. Stop him. I don't like him at all. America can help.
Before God, you know your God don't want me to say make no. Call this number. But she leave the first.
Hello, babe.
Whatever you call yourself.
It's true. How can this do this to me? How can she go to America without even telling me? After all she promised me heaven and earth. So Daisy left this country without telling me. I thought we were in love, but I never knew I meant nothing to her. This is a terrible experience, Daisy. What am I going to do now? What will I say to Joey? He has really tolerated me enough. Chai. No. I have to go and see him before he now thinks that I have run away and he does something to my sister.
Boys. Wow. Time is up. The house is locked, right? Where's the key? Let's go.
Oga landlord, I beg. I beg now. I take God name beg you. Just give him from nothing.
Stop that, woman. We don't have all that time. If he brings the money, he knows where to get us. Sure.
Oga landlord,
and let me tell you, if by the end of today he doesn't get that money, I will sell all the properties here. I need to recover my money.
Oga landlord, wait now. At least give me the key make I keep am for him now. Oga landlord, just bring the key, go give you the money. No, they do like this now. Hey, damn. Dan.
Hello. How far?
I did fine. Dan, wetin dey happen now?
Nothing, no.
Dan, which one be nothing now? No be you why I see where your landlord come. They don't even lock the door. No be this door why I see your landlord come lock now carry key dey go.
Hello, who decide that kind of line now? For where? Now me just lock door, else the outside.
You no need to dey lie to me. I stand for there, they watch everything, and I see as the film take happen. You see? Now the problem with una men be that how far that your Yankee babe now? Shebi you say she love you die. Now she don't abandon you.
I beg, hello. I beg, I just go beg you. No, they use some take block my ear now. I wish I could be talk about my baby.
No be to use God beg me be the matter. The problem with una men is una no dey know the woman wey love una. Na so una go dey leave the one wey love una. Go follow the one wey no love una. Now she don abandon you. Nothing. Your landlord don comot you for house. Work you no get. How you wan take manage this situation?
Hello, I use God beg you. Just leave me make I think. My head is shake as I dey so. I beg.
Okay, Dan, calm down. I wan ask you one question.
Wetin be that?
You still love me?
No, I love you. But
You don't do. Now wetin I wan hear be that. Okay, wear your shoes. Follow me go my house. Make I go give you food. Make you eat. Then we'll come look for a way to come sort your landlord out. Yeah? Just follow me. Wear your shoe. Make we dey go. Wear your shoe. Make we dey go. Wear am. Wear your shoe. Make we dey go.
you see. Just waiting today. Just
no worry, I know the whole story. Make we dey go. Just wear your shoes. Dan. Shine your eye, yo. Make you dey know the one wey love you true. Dan. You dey enjoy your food, ba?
No, food makes sense, I no go lie.
Okay, no problem. Take this money, make you go pay your landlord.
You say wetin?
Take and go pay your landlord.
This money, make my landlord.
Dan, go pay your rent now. Give him your landlord.
For borrow, abi for.
Now, Dan, why you dey talk like this now? Person no fit help him bobo again. See, Dan, the kind love wey me I get for you, I fit do anything for you. But I take God name beg you, Dan. No break my heart. I beg you.
Don't talk like that now. I promise you, I don't go break your heart. I don't fit now.
Okay, no problem. Oh yeah, take the money. Make you go pay your landlord, settle your rent so that your mind go cool.
Baby, too short.
No problem. Just sit, eat your food. Make I go bring water for you. Yeah?
Nothing to you.
Enjoy your food. I dey come.
Hello. It's too bad, man.
I dey come.
Correct, babe. I love you. I tell you, be small. Hello.
My babe don't lie. I did now. How far? Oh, babes, I did. Oh, clean like this. I've been asking. No, see, I bet, babe, this your leg. You go give me a more.
Omo, Abi, you dey hear gist what I hear for area. What's in the apple? Give us gist. Don't say you, Minister of Information.
I bet which kind talk. In short, I know they talk again. What's happen?
I know. Better be.
Hell, you know that babe now? That baby they find and come area. We they ride via hello. Give hello now. Hey, I guess the babe don't live down travel.
Hey, travel. That's not correct gist be that now. At least make our hello for the sea camp.
No be the main gist be that.
Okay, not correct.
The main gist be say, if like say the babe promise Dan say he go give them money for house rent. Now the landlord find Dan come house. Now Dan say okay, make him calm down, make him for rush, go bring the money come. As Dan they reach the babe house now they yarn and say, almost say the babe don't power go America. Dan confused, like he no know what to do again. Landlord don't come wait, and now you no see money. Now you lock door, carry key come out. As in
the babe get sense
now. Babe, this one the matter tire. And at the end of the year, blessing her for Elo house now in the car since.
Elo house for waiting.
I swear, since that time.
Me no fit try that kind of nonsense
now. As I get gist, you know say me na me na
your work. Now what you dey do with that? Finish the gist.
As I get gist, be like say Elo won't find dance more money for house rent.
God forbid. For waiting. I know say she no go try am because even if she try am, at the end of the day, the guy go drop am back.
Na so, no matter be that.
You know, trust me.
Babe, I beg. You don't do. Una self, una too like I'm a boy.
What?
Me no be like say we dey use a matter.
Yeah, not true.
Don't do.
Not true.
You are in a share dey wait now.
She go show. You know. Fine, get. Is there any gist wey dey happen now for area? You go just see only one man. Go give like 5 girls belle.
Not lie.
Omo, the thing sef tire me. You know, see Tessie. Tessie don't get belle for that guy wey she dey date that time. That man wey don marry like 5 wives.
I'm a boss. She don't get belle.
Hey, babes, how fun now? How the matter be?
Well, don't settle am sha. You know, I follow them go. Landlord don't go open door for am. Now there I carry for myself. They come see me.
Omo, babes, now you try pass. You don't try. But me, see this kind of thing you do, eh? Me, I no fit try for any man for this life again. I know fit. I know. As in, I no fit try am.
Why do you want like this? I don't talk this matter before. Una dey act like someone I don't know na me dey run this show.
Now you dey run now.
I trust you, Sha. For me, I will tell me, shine your eye, yo. Shine your eye.
Now Tessie, that girl for area.
This is what you call tafia. Like you, as in, I give
You know what happen for area?
Chacha Eke, take am again. Take am again.
Leave I go pay you now.
Dan, here's the letter for you.
Okay.
Brother,
What you wear so?
my shirt now.
I never warned you when you wear a shirt. Eh?
I washed up my clothes this morning.
So you go waste me your clothes that's first before you wash am. Come, Obi, warn yourself well.
Sorry now, I hear you.
And the letter, where you come from?
I believe this is a letter of interview from a company.
Interview fire.
Yes.
I beg. May they carry this whole nonsense up to test good, I beg. Last one I go for last week. What happened to them? They don't call me. Rubbish. Don't mind these guys, I beg now. That's why you
Baba, we can see. All this way they take it, all of them will be the matter. The matter where they here be say you need to attend this aptitude test. Abi, you dey fear say you go fail? No form hand, no bed where be friend to black Jesus where they fail. I tell you so.
Yeah, listen. The one I go for last week. No, listen, now 4,000 people they invite. Meanwhile, now 50 they need. Before we even know what they happen, self, these 50 just start to the work. Before we can't find out, say we know what the equation at all, self. So, guys, one of these people now, why do they do that? Now, that's nonsense.
Well, even if that one happen, but you still need to write this aptitude test to get this job. Because nobody will be friend of black Jesus, they fail. Don't tell me say the fear say if you write this interview or if you go for the aptitude test, you go fail.
Yeah, your head, that's your head, you worry about. You get job.
Okay, fine, don't get job. But me no see me in a hustler for the area now. Now black Jesus not get this area. Me born boy, anybody when you ask, no say that me they want things for this area. Me na hustler now. Which are they use job do now? But you not time man, Baba Biga, no dey fear. Go buy this thing.
This
This letter is from a company, a shipping company, asking you to come with your credentials on Monday at 10 a.m. Look at it.
Guy. Huh? Guy. Huh? Guy. Guy.
She know the shot boy now. They call boy now.
I better job.
You don't put to one pot. Hey, for this area.
Everybody later. You not pay for the letter. Let me give the letter.
Hey, look. No waste time. But you see, no waste time. No waste time. No waste time. Wait. Go pull out.
This guy don't make sense. No, I beg, give me my phone. Don't they jealous me? You know they jealous me. Down.
Yeah.
How far now?
Hi there.
What's happened? Why your face be like this? What's be this? Then give you quick notice again. Wait now, why did you like this? Sorry now, eh? Talk to me now. What's be this?
Hello. They don't give me better job for one big company. And the salary, he heavy gone.
No. I'm done. Thank God. No point to run the pray for sis with that. I beg sit. Oh yeah, sit.
Hey, God, don't do one.
I bet we celebrate, y'all.
No, sit now. No worry. I'm still at your day. Just tell me anything.
I beg that young people I like.
No, correct guy.
Yes, I like her now. We fish this time around.
Don't worry. Anyhow you want them, I go prepare them for you. No, for Dora. Hey, my lovely husband.
Thank God.
Hey, Dora, I tell you now. You don't see. Don't do it.
No, they happy for you.
Thank God, though. Dora, happy for us now.
I don't get what you mean. I did not come up with these suppliers. These suppliers have been working with this company even when your dad was here.
Mr. Aban, I know how my father has been running this company. I also know all the trust and power he has vested in you, so much so that you call shots. Granted, but what I really want to do now is review the status quo and then progressively build a better working relationship. The kind that will favor the already existing suppliers and the ones that are yet to come in. Having said that, please give it a rest, Mr. Aban, would you?
So, how's it going with work?
Well, work is just, I don't know. I've been working from home. I usually have the driver send home files to me. And from what has clearly become apparent, something's wrong. Something is wrong with Ocean Heart. It feels like somebody is deliberately slowing us down. Ocean Heart is not moving as should.
Wow. That's tough.
I know.
But anyways, I trust you. I believe so much in you, so I know you can fix this. Okay?
It's funny my dad has been saying. But truthfully, I feel like I don't even know what I'm getting into.
Hey. Don't be too hard on yourself though. So, have you decided?
On what?
Have you decided on when we should be getting married?
Please. Not now. Don't do that. I mean, I already told you I need time.
Time?
Yeah.
That was exactly what you said back in the States.
Well, I need time. I need time to tidy up business, to sort myself out. I just got back like the other day. My dad is ill. He needs time to recuperate. I have to be by his side. You of all people should know better, Shagun.
Come on, you know goddamn too well that this has nothing to do with your father being ill. Neither does it have anything to do with the company.
Really?
I think you are afraid. You are afraid of commitment. You are afraid of the responsibility that comes with matrimony.
Okay, the only thing I'm afraid of right now is that you're impatient and you're taking this too far.
Right. You know what? I'm tired of waiting for you to make up your goddamn mind on this. So for that, I'm out.
You go. Really, Shagun?
Madam.
Who is that man?
The man?
Who is he?
The one wey enter keke now.
Who is he?
Na keke man now.
Does he work here? Does he work at Ocean Heart?
He don dey work here tey. Everybody know now. If he has Nkechi, the man dey carry keke come here, carry keke go back. Everybody know am na keke man. Na keke, in fact, I don't know whether he buy one keke now. Wetin he dey drive dey come work. Any problem?
Yes, please. Can you put me through to Drew from the personal department? I'll wait. Yes, you're here. I'd like to get a comprehensive list of all our recently employed staff, ranging from the last 3 months, possibly. Just one? All right, let me see. My secretary will come over to get it right away. Thank you. One. Yeah, Betty. Please go over to the personnel manager's office. He has a file for you to bring to me. Yeah. Here's a flower. Drop it on the table. Thank you. Yes! There you are. There you are. There you are.
Hi. Yes.
Daisy.
Yeah.
Are you the Daisy?
Yeah.
You're telling us about?
Yeah, I guess.
Just hold on. Come, let me take you to Daisy.
Oh, this is his house?
Yes.
He's here around. I really want to see him.
No, it's in his friend's house. Oh. Let me take you to him.
Oh, please.
Yeah,
thank
Daisy.
you. How are
You're
you?
welcome.
Thank you.
I see the hot. Another one.
Oh boy.
Listen.
It always come awkward, man. No, they
Call something now.
Pick market, I beg.
You must pick just like that.
I suppose you pick market now. Which one be this one now?
That'll be general market now.
Okay, pass. Pick market.
I could argue.
Wait. You see where? Share the game, Joe.
Drop game, Joe.
Babawe, you dey switch on the system.
What's happened?
Look your back. Na butter be o. Na butter be this o.
Na pure butter o.
Jesus Christ!
See packaging.
Daisy!
See packaging. See packaging.
Yes,
I have waited for this day.
Baba, it's like some make I dey cry o.
Hey.
Baba, we still dey here now.
Baba, we dey na. We dey na.
First, calm down, don't worry. Okay, guys, this is Daisy. Daisy, my friends.
Hello.
My guy don't talk so many things about you.
Really?
Yes.
Wait. Now she be the shima where you tell us say catapult go Yankee. Now be this.
I swear.
Hey, wait. Guy, give me chair.
Show.
Hey, no. Don't sit down. My guy. Oh, guy. Don't tell me last. Yeah, sit down. My guy. You know what we do now? You go inside, go bring Maya come, you know?
Bring. We dey. Come, like that. Come.
You like this?
We need to concern you.
Hey! I don't show. Hey, see the level. I beg game, I be a tenor. Say yeah. Oh, well, all this, don't do yourself. Hola.
Hey, what are you? Give me that. Give me 3-3, Joe.
Oh.
Don't matter.
I don't forget your vibes.
I know.
Your blood today hot. Hey, guy, give me. Oh, cool. Can I see this small here?
Thank you very much.
Mama.
Thank you.
I mean, Mama, show you love. Mama, see love.
Oh.
Hola.
Yeah.
Say they look like go to never space before. She be willy. Eh? Easy. Make her hold this one, eh?
Nothing to you. Correct guy.
Hey, Mama. Tell me now. How Yankee they be?
Good. The place is good. Yeah. You look terrific.
You never. I look every G. Oh, Joy.
Your name is Spicy.
Yeah,
Is that a nickname?
my name na Festy, but my son name na Lucy, Festy Lucy. No surprise though. I know say you gonna ask why they get that kind of name. No worry, I'll tell you. You see, my papa na bastard. The man no get level at all.
That bastard.
My papa leave me when my mama get my belly. So, as a human being now, a man must get son name now. Now I take my mama's son name, replace my papa own. So that with all these small bon boy then when they the area, they no go dey laugh me. So my name na Festy Lucy, aka Black Jesus. And my name be that. That's my own.
Festy.
That's great.
I just a rap. Oh, Begini. Are you supposed to be here?
You what you are? What's it worry you now? Begini? They were. Juka. No, open that. Juka.
Thank you, bro.
Juka, put that. What's it worry you now? This fine babe, where bring that? This fine election man come for you. Like how they finish a go house. That's why you want to pay her back.
Wow.
Who down, Joe?
I said Juka. Boy, hey, I put the top one. I'm asking you.
Daisy. Wow.
What?
It's been a while. It's been long.
Hello.
Hello. Come on, babe. Now what is that? Babe, you don't see your boyfriend sleep. No, what happened? Nothing happened, no. But you see that guy, they fuck up where. I don't think it's make you not trust that guy. But you know, agree hear me. What did he do again? Oh, babe, nothing, no. But you see all those gist and gossip you they carry come give about your boyfriend. Today, I don't confirm her. And I don't take this my 2 eyes. See for myself. If you know what's good for you, carry yourself now they go your boyfriend's house. Make you go see for yourself. Okay, I don't talk. Wait first, calm down, no dey rush. Go inside, go change to better clothes. This is where you no just make sense at all. Go inside, make you go change. As for me, I don't move. Oh. But let me be your own, no. Don't do yourself, babe. I don't talk as friend where I be.
I wrote tons of letters. My mom kept all of it. She said you were nowhere in sight for her to pass it on. And it looks to me like you disappeared the moment I left the country.
My family and I were going through a very difficult time. So I had to hide the memories of us. So I wouldn't tell us to bad experiences we're going through. It wasn't easy. I wanted to remember everything as it was. The good times, the beautiful memories, your smile. It wasn't easy. It wasn't.
Well, for me, there's been relationships. Right? Not one felt like what we had. Not one. There's a guy. His name is Shagun. He's been pressuring me to marry him. But I couldn't budge. Because it just didn't feel like he was the one. And now I'm looking at you. Having found you, I know the one.
Well, there were girls too. Lots of them. Yeah, you know how it is now. But there was this one, Hello. She's in the university. You know, we're kind of close. You know, but then she's talking about marriage and all that stuff. I told her I'm not ready for all that. I know deep down I'm not feeling her. I don't want to. That's the one with her. She's not the one. You know. But there's another problem.
What?
It's not so major. It's not really major. There's a secretary, Florence. She's the secretary to the PD in the company. I met her on the first day. After that, the day I came for the interview, after that I had lunch and something happened, Sha. No, that was just once.
I'm pretty sure.
No, I swear, see, no jokes, like it's just once, it happened just once. My sunshine.
And we're still on Earth.
Yes, we are. And it's a beautiful day on Earth.
Yes, it is. So glad to have you back in my life. My days were empty without you.
Same here. Felt like I was dreaming all the while you were away.
Really? I love you. Coffee?
Yeah, coffee.
You know, it's amazing how little people know that coffee is strictly an American thing. I'm telling you, the average American day is totally incomplete without coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you say so. Plus, I don't think it's only Americans coffee addicts.
Really?
I am very
Ooh.
coffee addict.
Check you out. That's great because I'm a bloody addict myself.
Babe,
Yeah?
you're so tired. You look exhausted.
I am exhausted.
So sorry, okay? Well, I'm glad you're back. It's been really lonely here without you. How's your dad?
He's getting better. He and Mom flew out tonight, and I'll be gone for a couple of weeks.
Okay. Well, now that you've taken care of family, it's time for someone to take care of you.
But I don't want to be taken care of. I want to be spoiled.
Well, watch me do that.
Well, I have the car key.
We're taking it right, don't worry about the car.
In this?
Yeah, babe, listen, see. This is my show. You understand? Let me show you how we live in the jungle. So calm down. This is our trips with this man. Come, let's go.
Dad, this is safe.
It's safe now.
I don't want to have an accident.
Don't worry. There's ABS, seatbelt, everything.
Don't play.
I'm playing about it. But it's safe, okay, don't worry. See the video address now.
Crazy.
Don't worry, let's show you how we live in the jungle.
Told you I want to get spoiled. This is all you got? Yeah.
Let me show how we roll here. This is the look.
Fine girl, not far.
You guys have a copy, right? Bring a copy. Bring 2 plates.
What's that?
Copy.
Yeah.
Kobe is a goat leg delicacy now, goat leg with some spices and some, vegetable, all those things.
Who is going to eat that? Me? I'm not going to eat that.
Please, trust me. You love it, I'm telling you. By the time you finish with this Kobe, see your situation.
I'm not going to love it, Dan. I don't want to eat any goat.
It's nice. Okay, see. In case you don't like it, then you can order for the cereal. That's final. Killer. As in everybody there. Don't worry. That's food for kings. This area. Oh.
What's that now?
It's good. Put head delicacy. Put head, with the eye, the tongue, the ear, or the crunchy stuff, the mouth. You now mix it vegetable.
No.
Hey! Now I tell my food. That na where food finish. You see, now put on back. Featuring.
Oh God, I'm gonna get sick, Dad.
Hey, some pepper also. This.
Yeah.
You know what I said. This is how boring it goes. I don't understand them. How people forget tradition, they forget the local. You get used to it, cool down. Oh, bro, the pain, I beg, relax. I never chop. Please, this guy, hurry up.
By the way, I almost forgot. Tomorrow, there'll be some kind of informal party going on. Yeah, some of my friends from back in the States will be having a little get together, and I'd like for you to come.
I swear, I did.
Yeah. Alright. So tomorrow after work we'll leave.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do it.
Great. So, how about it this? What?
What can I do?
Why? What, are you shy?
Shy. Why should I shy? For what?
So then, give me a kiss. To be a sissy, Danny. Yeah. You come. Danny's cowboy. Yeah. You come. See? Did you die?
Yeah, yes. That's what. Yeah, that's. You feel the call. Calm down. This is the whole.
Don't be such a dumbass like a dick.
Oh. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. That's what's up. Oh, I have to put dry for this thing. This thing short.
This is.
This is exotic. Chow, it's a chow. This is what.
So how do I eat this? Everything is just my hands.
You wash your hand first.
No, I want to get a spoon.
Spoon. Where have you seen in the dictionary that they eat ukwabi with spoon?
I can't put my hands in this. I just
Wash your hand now.
I need a spoon or a fork and then a bigger plate.
A spoon or a fork or what?
A bigger plate. This is really compacted.
This is a plate. This is a back coffee. This is a fork.
Whoa.
You know, when I was in France, I lived in one of the best hotels in Paris. You need to see this with your own eyes.
Wow, is it for real?
That's real. If you go to that venue, that's what I'm doing.
Wow, very interesting.
Sure. What's the name, bro? I'm Dan.
Yeah, good to see you.
Okay.
You're saying something?
Yeah, to be candid, category is quite silly.
Okay.
Yeah, I used them for 18 months from States to Japan, and I can't think of any other airline.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's for you. I always don't like a Swiss airline. I'm not in a hurry to switch over to any other.
Just give Cathy a try.
Not even Cathy you're talking about. So.
Give them a try. Yeah, bro. What do you fly? What airline do you use?
What?
What airline do you fly?
Oh, airline. You see, like all these things they fall from the sky. So if I have to move fast, I rather just get on Okada and just in case anything happens, I just see my body on the road.
Is it meant for you?
Okay, I think you should excuse me.
Now wow, person don't even see your brake light again. You just curse like 500 naira note. What did that happen now?
Hello. I've been busy, I beg, eh?
Dan,
Rex.
I'm a woman and I've got feelings. But that doesn't mean I'm unreasonable. Listen, I want you to tell me if there's something left in what we have. And if not, tell me so I can stop chasing dreams.
Hello, I beg. See, listen.
No, Dan. I want you to tell me what is going on between you and that girl.
Hello, see, understand, sometimes life throws options at you without even giving you the chance to even make a choice. Eh? Sometimes the gods even make the choices for us.
All these things are plenty yarns. This one are poetry they give me so now. I won't know what thing they happen between you and that butter girl. Tell me what thing they go on.
Okay, listen. Daisy and I, we go way back. You understand? We grew up in the same neighborhood. You understand? So then she now traveled now, but now she don't come back.
And so, doesn't mean she could just walk in and just take over? Just like that?
I'll tell you, cool down.
What is the way they talk now? Cool down. What make her they cool down for now? Tell me what thing they happen.
Hey, Baba we go. Don't set. See, emergency shit in the room. I won't reach out. I beg.
Where they go?
Emergency shit in the room.
Right, chill, Joe. Cool down, relax. Nothing to happen.
Sure. Man, step down.
Palm, guy. Nothing to happen.
Nothing do me now. That's it. I greet you. Welcome. Do.
Zelda, this is the reason you walked out on me and made a fool out of me. I will take that as an insult.
Suit yourself. I don't care about your friends either.
So what do you care about? This? Or this confining neighborhood? Which?
No, they tell me make her chill.
Cool down.
Let me this babe to follow the yarn like that. Then what's be all this one? Now you not pay my tape, give am.
Hello, calm down now.
Calm down for
chill,
me.
relax.
Like that.
Hello, calm down.
Who you think say you be?
Chill. After the ring, you
make her the chill. Make it
First, I better carry go. Let's carry go. Carry go. Chill. Carry am go. Calm down.
But guy, no be blues where they yap for you.
First, calm down. We'll see later.
You over package well.
Confining. Yeah, I agree. At least they are real, unlike your friends.
Are you trying to imply my friends aren't real?
They have to put it in mildly. They're not even human beings. They're like characters in a bad movie, looking for who need props to give them semblance in reality.
Really? Yeah. I see how real your friends are. So I'm guessing that's why you walked out on me?
I couldn't stand all that whole posturing and nonsense. And besides, you were even oblivious of my presence.
Nathan. Dad, you and I should not be fighting this soon. At least not after our long separation. Yeah.
No, they tell me make I relax, eh? As you see me, so I don't get joy for my heart.
Relax your mind, babe.
Nothing person no go see for this life, oh. Now that babe, not me, hello. Don't they suffer since they work for? God forbid, but it no go happen. It no go happen.
Relax, chill down.
It no go happen unless my name no be hello. It no fit happen. I mean, our monkey go to work, bamboo go to shop. Now go to do for here. See me, oh. I don't understand.
Wow, no tire you. No fit work. It no tire you. Now wow. Now what for me, no? Not be the same girl when leave am travel be that.
The babe harsh.
When you can't use your money, help in miserable condition. The guy harsh. The girl just come out from nowhere. Which one bangolo can come dey form animal love?
Na rubbish. Thunder, correct thunder we get grey hair, then go dey fire her nyash for them.
The one with the gym, fire am.
It's not going to happen. She doesn't know why. She doesn't know.
Hey. Hello, my correct babe. Babe, I beg, give me 5.
I know they there, but I hear as they go.
Now what? Babe, I beg, collect 5 first. Collect 5.
Man. See, that babe never say anything. For my own territory, now she thinks she fit come just come do anything when she like. Unless my name not be hello. If I not show that girl who I be, if I not show that babe say me, my name not hello. I don't go rest.
Calm down.
Now because of that girl,
calm down.
Now she be a provoke.
Oh boy, I see the traffic guards who they run this nonsense package and why not my girl? They won't get mind carry. Something tell me say person will plan this thing. In day within our circle, within this area.
That's so me they think I'm Ross. That's so me they think I'm. Say, so niggas don't they fuck up for this area. And I tell you, niggas don't they fuck up for this zone too much.
As in the person can't get mind, won't come play, come see my girl.
Dad, you know what they buy for me more? Those guys get mind. Those guys got that mind. Choose person, enter your own zanga.
Oh boy, if I figure that person out, while light alive, my brother, I go mess them up. Messing the entire family up. Whether that boy or girl, I go mess them up.
Bros, you just relax. He said, I didn't watch your back like I didn't watch television. To God, I could play you the tape of who followed Duam and who don't follow Duam. And me go table and for you say, bro, see him, see as he play, see as he go. Just relax.
Have the biggest bridal train anybody's ever had. It's going to be like some sort of musical concert. And of course in attendance will be all the political cronies and the cream de la cream and then my father's associates. It's going to be so bloody colorful. I feel like you know what I'm talking about already. What do you think?
Well, I was
rather thinking on a smaller scale, you know, just you and I and the priest. You know, just us.
Oh, that's actually sweet.
Except, of course, you know, when the bridal trade's a large one, compromising of all my ex-girlfriends. What do you think?
I'm going to poison you.
No, listen, please keep looking. Keep on looking. I beg you. You must find a warehouse for me today. It mustn't pass today. Whatever it takes. Yes, it mustn't pass today. I must get... Exactly. Please don't fail me, I beg you. I'll be waiting for your call. Thank you.
Hey, babe. What's up?
I have a problem.
Solve it then. That's what problems are for. To be solved.
Dan, this is serious. I could lose Ocean Heart.
Ah, that's a big problem then.
Someone is shutting us out. Alright? As you know, our flagship Wildflower has been docked at Apapa Place for over a week now. And till now we are yet to get a warehouse for the cargo we brought in. Unless we find a place for those goods, it cannot sail. And then, our usual warehouses that usually cooperate with us wouldn't even budge this time. I need a warehouse. I need a warehouse like my life depends on it. I'm losing so much money. In fact, the company is on the verge of sinking as I talk to you, Dan.
Yeah, okay. There's a warehouse available, but it's not your average, you know, not your average kind of place to now get to a dish. But yeah, there's one available.
Are you serious?
Yeah, of course, before. But the thing is, I'll need your car.
Whatever you need, I'll keep in my car key as long as you fix it. Just do what you can. I'm counting on you.
Okay, sure thing, don't worry, I got you.
Abeg, come fetch for me. Oh boy! Hey, still alive, still alive. Still my guy. Oh, but Baba Wiga, now you use this one now. Still alive.
Nah, but this afternoon, I beg, man. I just want to on spirals, man. Hey, bro, I need your help, man. See, I beg, I need a warehouse. You understand? No big space, but it must not be fancy place and everything. You understand? Place where I feel keep some products for some time, just short time. You understand? Money will be problem. You understand?
Baba Wiga, I never. Okay, wait. You get one of my guys for the area. You get one place when they tell me about one time like that, but me never know. But I just check them out. If you pure, I go let you know.
Well, I beg, see, you run them. Follow the guy talk and everything. You understand? Make me, I go arrange the money and the goods come.
No wahala.
Another thing, say, I go need security for that place, so.
Okay.
You understand? So if you figure out this hard men with that area, they didn't get that place 247. You understand? No way, that side, insurance cover them.
That one.
Money no be problem.
That was nothing now. For the area. They know now. All of them are my boys. As I they lead them, they follow. I mean the black Jesus. AKA first two. You hear me so? I mean the first two. So for the matter, no worry about security. I got you covered. I got your back, brother. No worry. I'll drive for you.
The space for the goods. Huh. And I guess it's in your neighborhood, right?
No, but in fact, yes. Yes. Wow. Okay, and that's fine. I mean, sounds really great. Sounds good to me. Give me the address, all right? We need money. We need lots of money to pull this. And I think I will play this off the cuff. Yeah, we'll just make some very discreet withdrawals and we'll be fine. Let me have the address, my darling. Go ahead.
Who be that? Who be that?
Who be that fool? Who be that fool with they dare me? With them man, so won't go kidnap my woman. He mad. Dad, I told you to take this easy. Take it easy, man. Not take am easy, Joe. Not take am easy. Which kind of thing be that one now? Person won't kidnap my woman. Not take am easy. You know, this thing affect me for work. I feel lose my job now. But I've told you that there's nothing I cannot do for you. Unless waiting God no feeling for man. I can do everything for you. All I need to do is just give me 48 hours. Then within 48 hours, Casey, I could personally drag the idiot. That I could bring the bastard who they behind this kidnap for you. Come on, just help me keep the police out of it. That's all I want from you. That only impossible. Is it possible now? How? Police out of it? A crime like kidnap is a very serious crime now. I can't do without the police. Listen, I don't know how bad it is at my workplace. 2 days in now, I'm the prime suspect. So I gotta claim my name now. I gotta get police involved. I free myself. Look, Danilo, if you involve the police, I will not be able to do what I'm supposed to do. How? Man. Okay. Just small time. Make I penetrate where I want penetrate. Small time. Guy, listen, see, run your own side, I will run my own side. Run your own side, I will run my side, no worry. But they slow about your side. Just be slow about it. I know what I go do, no wahala. Fine. Okay, fine. Let's do it this way, just calm down. Before you think of bringing the police, I'll get to what you want to get. What do you want to know? Get me run.
Yes?
Yeah, I know this is around. I want to see her.
Wait.
What is this?
Madam said I should give you that.
She gave you a letter to give me.
Hey. Dan. Why are you sitting here all alone?
Abi, I Yankee babe way our Elo don't give chase. Now you dey here to think about.
Elo to get church money. As the meeting make that get matter the tire me. You see that your babe. Make she just a tank as that, say no be she dey tell you. If not, I for find better boat to trust you. Tear her face for her. When I tear and finish, if she reach America, she would remember how she dated person boyfriend.
Wait, so you mean to tell me say Hello know why my babe travel go Yankee?
Before uncle. Maybe she no do that one. So for the here now they enjoy. Make our Hello for the roast for her. If you walk now.
My dear, the matter for just be like when monkey they walk.
Bamboo they show. Because you say shake her heart now. You know jail.
I beg, my dear. Oh, they go.
Clear us. Go handle better beef now. Babe, see you now.
Hello. Where you? Okay. I dey come.
Bros, now you. Why your face like this?
Sure. Abigail.
Bros.
You know what I did?
Bros, I don't know. What's happened?
I want to tell you the truth.
Truth about waiting.
truth about person who kidnap Daisy and person who dey behind her. They laugh.
Bros, why they allow this issue bother you? Eh? If Elo no love you, she not gonna do all these things now. Eh? That babe try for you, bros. That babe try for you, no be small. So you stop all this thing what you do now, bros.
So, you mean to tell me say na Elo dey behind this kidnapping?
Bros, look me well, oh. I know talk and say Elo na dey behind the kidnapping.
No, wahala. I no call your name, I no call your name. But you see Elo, if true na she dey behind this kidnap, oh, I go fuck am up, I swear.
But that babe love you. Anything what you dey do now for love. You suppose get am now, bros.
Wahala,
Bros, calm down. Bros, go on face. Make we talk this.
No worry.
Bros, even I no use me settle, no, bros. Bros.
How could you do such a thing, Elo? Why? Why would you allow jealousy and envy to push you to the extent of kidnapping Daisy? Are you going crazy or something? You know how important that woman is to me. She's my boss. And you know what it means when she finds out that you are the one who is behind this? Why? Tell me why?
So I mean nothing to you, right, Dan? Where was she when you were almost thrown out of the house? Tell me where she dey when hunger won't kill you, Dan. Where she dey? She abandoned you. She didn't even care about you. Now me carry myself come. Salvage the situation, come out for that mess. And all of a sudden she appeared out of the blues. She's Daisy and she's claiming ownership of you. And you expect me to sit down and clap for her, celebrate her, Dan, because her name is Daisy. Who is she, Daisy? Who is she? Gone are those days when monkey they walk, babu they chop. Dan, you belong to me, okay? And this is time for me to claim my own ownership. What is all this?
So, true. You have a hand in this plot. Hello?
Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it for you and I. Then I did this because I actually love you.
Now the fool be this. The nonsense girl where they rip for where she knows so. You know what I won't make you do? I won't make you catch her, rape her, collect anything where you feel collect from her. And warn her, make she no ever for her life step her feet on my territory again. You should not keep up to the agreements. Oh, wipe and come out forward. You know how they go now.
Consider it done. I don't run them already now. That one is small thing. When I collect my balance now.
Your balance no be anything now. Just make sure so you run clean show. Keep clean slates. Make nobody just relate me to this matter at all. When you finish, Haba, I will make you happy.
One a small thing.
What you have done is a serious criminal offense. It's out of my hands now. You have the police to face and leave me out of it.
Dan, you can't do this. Dan, you can't. Dan, you can't do this. Dan, I did this for us. If you truly do love me, all you have to do is cover up this whole thing. After all, they say love covers all things. I did this for you and I wanted us to be happy. Dan, you can't do this.
So, were you able to get any information from her?
Yes.
That's good. So, what did you come up with?
What we're looking for lies within.
Meaning?
Meaning that she is the culprit. So, we can go in there and arrest her. Go ahead. Do your job.
Hey, woman, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent, for anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, cuff her.
Yes. In your hands. Good.
Move her.
Go.
Move.
Go. Move.
No. Move.